Y'all know the vibes. It is Smoovelifer time. We are back with another video, guys. We are back with a banger today, y'all. Yeah, how my Smoovelifer's been? Y'all been doing good? Yeah, me too, man. If you're new here, go subscribe to the channel, join the Smoovelifer game. If you put this video and you're not a Smoovelifer, hit that sub button and hit that bell to get notification every time I drop a banger, you guys. But today I came in with a smart, funny, and a cool idea for you guys. Today I have the the cameras, I have the angles, I have the mics, and I have the car. So let's do a Forza Horizon gameplay, but in real life. So I got the 360 cam for the third person view. I got all the mics. I got the car that you got. Matter of fact, if you're a new viewer, man, you ain't seen a video of when I wrapped my car 2 videos ago. In the past couple videos, the car has been in there wrapped. Let's go over real quick. So it is a fade from black to green. You feel me? Real slimy in the back, business in the front. You feel me? Kind of has a lot of self-healing to do, but you feel me? Around the back we got, this is probably my favorite part, getting that part blacked out. But I'm gonna do a slow walk around for you guys really quick just to see where that sunlight was hitting at, you feel me? But yep. So this is a Camaro ZL1. It is supercharged. And this car is in Forza too. Yep, and also the car is modded. It is fully straight pipe with a cat delete, like a primary cat delete and a catback system. Intake is on a mixture of E85 and 93, so E34-ish, E35-ish. So yeah, the car is in stock, so you're gonna hear in the video all the loud downshifts, the watt pulls. And let's see if we can get a couple reactions to see people looking at it around, but we're gonna get straight to business, you guys. Forza 2, so this is really gonna be crazy because this car is in Forza, and I'm pretty sure I can recreate this rap to put in Forza as a download. Yeah. So let's bring it to real life. You guys ready? Let's get right into it. yeah, you guys, that ends our Forza in real life video, man. Of course, we ended the video at the gas station as always, our second home. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of my two-tone faded ZL1, like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be posting 2 times a week, you guys. 2 great videos a week for you guys. So, hey, the camera's about to die. Let's get this angle real quick before I get up out of here. Not gonna lie, that was a lot of fun. Hopefully I got a lot of footage for you guys. You see, it got dark over the time of me driving around, and got some donuts in, got some pools in, some downshifts, man. So hey, I'll see you guys on the next one, but y'all already know the vibes, man. Smoovelifer is out.